Today's video, we're going to be replacing the headlight bulb on a 2012 Volkswagen CC. Okay, this side happens to be the one that's out is the driver's side. Simple to do. What you're going to go over here, look in the back. You're going to see a little cover. All you do is just twist it. It doesn't unscrew, it's like a little lock. Okay? And it comes right out. It's like this, you just go and it comes right out. Okay? Then after that, you reach in the back. Actually, you can see through the hole. And you twist it up. And just releases the bulb. And that's the bulb. Now, you don't take this clip off. The bulb is the one on the top. Okay, let me grab it again. Well, this bulb is bad. You can see the filament in there is broken. But you see how it comes off? You just take it like this, and it comes right off. Don't take this clip off. You may think that this comes off. It doesn't. And then when you put this back, you put it back. You see the little tab? That tab can only go one way here. Let's see if I can... Okay. Where's the tab? It goes this way. Okay? You see that? You see this little tab? This one right here. And this one right here. Right here. If you turn it around and try to do it the other way, it's going to hit and be crooked. Okay? So this goes in one way. Like that. Alright? And you just replace the bulb. And reverse the procedure. That's it. Alright, fast, simple video. Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions below, leave them. I'll answer them as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.